Welcome to this technical guide on the KitchenAid. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If the speed lever on your KitchenAid feels loose and unresponsive, you're not alone. This issue can stem from wear and tear over time, causing the lever to detach from its mechanism. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your mixer less effective and possibly resulting in more extensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. First, ensure your KitchenAid is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Start by gently prying off the speed lever cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the surrounding plastic. Once the cover is off, you should see the screw that holds the speed lever in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove this screw, keeping it in a safe place for reinstallation. As you take off the lever, you might notice a small spring mechanism. This spring is crucial for the lever's responsiveness, so take note of how it is positioned. If it appears damaged or out of place, it will need to be replaced. After extracting the loose lever, compare it with the new lever to ensure it matches correctly. To install the new lever, carefully place it back into the mechanism, ensuring the spring is aligned properly. This step is vital, so take your time to avoid any misalignment. Once the lever is positioned correctly, replace the screw, tightening it firmly but not over-tightening, as this could strip the screw whole. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the lever, reattach the speed lever cover by pressing it back into place until it clicks. Finally, plug in your KitchenAid and test the speed lever to ensure it feels secure and responsive. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check your mixer for any signs of wear, and avoid forcing the lever beyond its intended range. Also, consider cleaning the area around the lever to prevent dirt accumulation, which can lead to further problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.